Hey guys, Elimination FX here. I'm bringing you a simple tutorial for YouTube backgrounds. Start off here. I've got a template which is in the link in the description, and I've pasted a 3D text effect from a document I did earlier, which the link on the screen now for how to do that. Here I'm trying to find a brush to use the background for, I think. And yeah, anyway, you just need this template, and then you write text on the left and right hand side. Make sure you use layers all the time, create new ones. Just write in elimination effects on the side and subscribe on the right. I'm just changing the color and editing the effects and stuff. If you to rotate, you just at the top you enter the number 90 degrees or minus 90 degrees, and on the bottom right hand side it says it's a bunch of layers like subscribe and stuff. Right click them and click blending options, and it'll come up with a bunch of effects you can use for your text or whatever layer you're using. Here I'm just putting on the shadow drops and satin and bevel and emboss just to make it look good. I'm trying to get one of those modern effects at the moment, and I think it works out okay. I'll put the background in a second. I'm just gonna finish this off. Right, so I'm gonna go back to the background there, and I'm gonna go grab the paintbrush tool, and I am going to select a brush that is about 1900, I think, and I'm gonna print it on the background. Choose whatever color you want. I'm just going to print out in the background now, and then I'm going to change the effect for it, because as you can see the background of our elimination effects is black and it does not match with green, so I'm going to fade the black into green now using the gradient tool. There we go, double click. Right, so I've set it to black all at the moment, and I'm going to set the bottom effect to green. So, no, top effect, no, yeah, bottom effect to green, so it fades black to green. And then I'm going to add the cloud effect, which I'll demonstrate in a minute. I'm just dragging the sliders here so I can change the gradients for how far down I want. I'm just going to do so I can cover the elimination bit. There we go. And now you're just going to hit OK. And OK again. OK again. Yeah, there we go. Now you're going to create another layer, and you're going to render clouds, and then you're going to set the layer to overlay. Alright, and now you should have this cloud effect going between the changing gradients. I think it looks quite cool. It's like a cloud, there's like a smoke effect coming up from the bottom. I quite like this effect. And I'm just going to type in more text for 3GFX. Put it on the right hand side, change it to 90 degrees in the free transform. Just press Ctrl T. Yeah, there's loads of different effects with CS5. Like the 3D effect is only with CS5, and CS4 actually. You can use it with CS4. So if you've got CS3, I just download CS5. If you're like, I'm just changing the gradient here again, so it goes from green to black from the top to bottom, so it's in varied colors. I think I'm going to change it to yellow. Actually, the yellow might stand out better. Yellow, yeah, there we go. Okay, no, red, yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow, yellow. Okay. Just gonna change it so the green goes further up to the black rather than actually in the green itself. So it's easier to read. If you do this, the template for this background with the modules and stuff for YouTube will be in the description. I made it myself, and I will be uploading to Mega Upload, so you can download it and then try and make one yourself. There will be a 3D effect video which is on right now on the screen. I'm just adding more effects to this text to try and make it look better. I can't remember what I did for this the subscribe button at the top. So I think I check that in a minute. I think this is sped up 1.1 times, so, or something like that. So if it's a bit faster, then that's why. Right, yeah. I just checked the subscribe thing, and I'm going to try and make the 4.3 GFX the same. So I think I'm just going to leave it, to be honest. Let's try anyway. Blending options, sat, and emboss. 1%. Oh, it looks the same. Oh well. Yeah, if you want any YouTube backgrounds or profile pictures made for you or anything like that, just send me a message saying you've subscribed to me, and maybe box me or whatever, and I will make you one within about, I don't know, 48 hours ish. Depends how busy I am. If there's any other videos you want to see or any tutorials you want to see, just leave me a comment section below. Right, I've done the text now. I'm just gonna move on to the modules now, which are the things with like subscribe on YouTube and the comments box and stuff. So you just open the modules folder and go to each one of these and just edit how you like. This is the bit under the description of your featured video, so it has to kind of stand out. So I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna try and play around with making it have a border. I don't think this will work. No. I'm gonna change it to a different color instead. Let's change it to green, because that'll match. Color overlay. Alright, green. There we go. Okay. Alright, now I'm just going to do the same for all the other modules, and then I'm going to save it. So I'm just going to cut it off here, because you don't need to see me do all the modules. Actually, I'm going to show you the transparency bit, and then right here, with that slider bar, if you scroll it down, it'll make it sort of fade into the background, which I'm going to do so you can see the background properly. And I'm going to do that for most of them, put a border. Okay, so I finished all the modules, and I'm just going to save it as EFX new background, and then click save on JPEG. Make sure it's on JPEG or else it'll save as a PSD file. Right now you want to change the slider bar so it's the under 256K, or else it won't work on YouTube. It'll be too much, and then you just press OK. Thanks for listening to this YouTube background tutorial video. Please like, subscribe, and maybe favorite this video. Please check out my channel, and if you want any free effects, just message me.